Namaste children. Previous class we learnt about measurement, unit and SI unit of fundamental quantities. Today we are going to learn about measurement of length. Measurement of length is nothing but distance between two fixed points. Here A is a point, starting point, B is a point called ending point. The distance between A and B give the length between A and B. If we see the long before, like ancient days, that time people were not using any measuring instrument to measure the length, but they used to construct so nice building as well as sculpture neatly with the help of their body parts as a measurement instrument for length. So they used to use the instrument body parts like handspan, fathom, cubit, foot and yard. So these all they used to use as a unit of length. Now let us do one activity. I know everyone has a table in your home. Let us measure the length of the table with the help of handspan. You should measure and neatly note down the measurement as well as you ask your parents to measure the same. Also you note down. So you might observe the handspan for the measurement of length table. You might observe your handspan number is different than your parents' handspan number. So after seeing these different numbers, what do you think? The measurement, the length of the table is different? No. Or the handspan between you and your parents are different. So each and every person handspan, that means body parts, is different in different lengths. That's why these units we can't consider as a standard unit. So now if I give you a ruler, you will measure the in length of table and write the measurement how much you got, and also you ask your parents. So that time what you will observe that both of you get the exact measurement for the table with the help of ruler. That means you are using a unit and standard measuring instrument for the measurement of length. So here we are using daily life like ruler and measuring tape to measure the unit of length, or any length we should measure. Like that odometer we are using to when we are traveling, we are using to measure the distance how much we covered. Also we are using for long distance like celestial body distance like planets to planets or planets to sun, planets to satellite. That time we are using astronomical unit or light years. Also we are using vernier calipers as well as screw gauge to measure the very minute or small distance like thickness of paper, thickness of thin wire or diameter of a small spherical ball. We are using these two instruments. So as we are using very small length, that's why this two instrument is known as micrometer. Now units of length. Unit of length already we discussed in previous lesson that SI unit of length is meter. Here we will see some unit of length one we can easily convert. So this is unit of length in US standard. Long before people used to use it. Now metric system of unit what we are using. In metric system of unit, kilometer to millimeter easily we can convert. So if you remember this chart, kilometer to meter to millimeter, when we are increase we will multiply by 10 for each distance. Similarly when millimeter to centimeter or centimeter to decimeter, we will divide. Or meter to kilometer, we have to divide how many distance we are traveling. So if I do one activity like 130 centimeter, I want to convert it into meter. So that means you might observe centimeter to meter, you have to come back 2 steps. That means you have to divide by 100. Similarly if I want to convert meter to kilometer, I have to come back 3 steps. So I have to divide with the help of 1000. Then if I want to convert centimeter to millimeter, I have to multiply with 10 because I have to going 1 step up. So similarly in matrix system, any conversion if you want to do, if we remember this chart, easily we can convert in STEM. So any length if we get, we can easily convert in SI unit of length. So I hope today you understood, and it is very helpful, where conversion method is very helpful and you should remember neatly. Now here some homework I have given. Neatly you should complete this homework and submit. Thank you children.